In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam Store not loading. If your Steam Store isn't loading or working properly, here are some troubleshooting steps you can try. First, you can go ahead and restart Steam. Close the Steam app completely and then relaunch it. Now, if you're accessing the website, you can go ahead and close it and reopen it again on your browser. Another thing you can do is to clear Steam cache. Go to Steam settings, head over to web browser and delete web browser cache. So if you're using your browser, you can go ahead and head over into the history section and then click on this delete browsing data button and go ahead and clear your browsing data. Another thing that you can do is to go ahead and flush Steam configuration. Open WinR and type steam // flush config and press enter. Another thing that you can do is to run Steam as an administrator. Right click on Steam and select run as administrator. You can also go ahead and disable beta participation. So in Steam settings, opt out of the beta programs. The last option that you have to resolve this problem is to reinstall Steam. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Steam. And that's basically how you can fix Steam Store not loading. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.